Ready to unleash your website's full potential with a design platform that gives you unparalleled creative freedom? Then let's jump right into how to transfer your Wix website to Editor X. First things first, it's important to understand that direct automated transfer isn't available. So we'll be rebuilding your site. Start by carefully reviewing your existing Wix site. Take screenshots of each page, noting the layout, content, and styling. This will serve as your blueprint. While you can't directly export Wix content to Editor X, you can manually copy text, download images, and save videos. Now head over to Editor X and create a new site. Embrace the blank canvas. Begin recreating your site structure. Using the screenshots you took earlier, Editor X excels with its drag-and-drop interface and precise design control. Start with your header and footer, ensuring they are consistent across all pages. Next, populate your site with the content you saved from your Wix site. A key advantage of Editor X is its powerful responsive design capabilities. As you rebuild your site, utilize breakpoints to optimize the layout for various devices, like desktops, tablets, and phones. This ensures a seamless user experience, no matter how your visitors access your site. Once your site is rebuilt and you are happy with it, you'll need to connect your domain. Since you already own the domain through Wix, you have two options. You can either transfer the domain registration to a different registrar and then connect it to Editor X, or you can point your domain to Editor X's servers using DNS records. Editor X provides clear instructions on how to do either. Migrating from Wix to Editor X requires manual effort, but the increased design freedom and responsive capabilities make it worthwhile. Now you have a unique online presence that truly reflects your brand. Don't forget to subscribe for more web design tips and tricks.